Hello everyone, I am your GK teacher Sayyad Huma. Now today we learn lesson nationality. By nationality we understand to which country a person belongs. The people of India is known as Indians. Likewise, the people of every country are known by the name of their countries. Okay, look at the picture. Small eyes here. Which country they belong? You understand or not? Yes, they are from China. China, officially the People's of Republic of China, is a country in East Asia. It is the world's most populous country. The people of China are called as Chinese. Look at the picture. Which country they belongs? Yes, Japan. Japan is an island country in East Asia, located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. The people of Japan are called Japanese. See the picture? Which country they belongs? Any idea? Yes, Nepal. Nepal, officially the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a country in South Asia. It is located mainly in Himalayas. The people of Nepal are called Nepalese. See the next picture. From which country they belongs? Yes, Russia. Russia or the Russian Federation is transcontinental country located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. The people of Russia are called Russians. See the pictures. Which country they belongs? Yes, of course, England. England is a country that is a part of the United Kingdom. The people of England are called Englishmen. Yes, see the next picture. They all look like Muslims, na? They all are Muslims. Yes. Which country they belongs? Of course, Pakistan. Pakistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, is a country in South Asia. The people of Pakistan are called as Pakistanis. Okay, see the pictures of these peoples. Which country they belong? Yes, of course, Italy. Italy is a country in southern Europe with a population of more than 16 million people. The people of Italy are called as Italians. Yes, see the pictures. Which country they belong? Any idea? Of course, Germany. Germany is an Western European country with a landscape of forests, rivers, mountains, and North Sea beaches. The people of Germany are called as Germans. Next, see the picture. Which country they belong? Any idea? Of course, Iran. Iran, also called as Persia, and officially the Islamic Republic of Iran. It is a country in Western Asia. The people of Iran are called as Iranians. Look at the picture. Which country they belongs? Look at the flag in their hands. Any idea? Yes, of course. USA, the United States of America, is the world's third largest country in size and nearly the third largest in terms of population. The people of USA are called as Americans. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.